On June 20th, the first combat use of a 3-ton gliding aerial bomb equipped with a course correction module by the Russian Aerospace Forces was confirmed. The control footage captured by a Russian drone shows the heavy aerial bomb hitting a 3-story building in the village of Lipsy, turned by the armed forces of Ukraine into an important stronghold in the Kharkiv region. The affected building was used by the Ukrainian military as a temporary deployment point. The footage showed that the Russian bomb missed the target. The deviation of the FAB 3000 was no more than a dozen meters, which is more than a satisfactory result for a munition of this type. The range of direct damage from the FAB 3000 is 230 meters, and the fragments retain their destructive power at a range of more than 1,200 meters. As a result of the strike, the wall of the house in which the Ukrainian military were hiding completely collapsed from the opposite side of the explosion, which definitely led to heavy losses of the Ukrainian military. Russian military experts note that judging by the depth of the crater, the bomb was set to instant explosion, so all the energy was spent on high explosive impact and not on digging a hole into the ground. The supermassive FAB 3000s are deployed via Sukhoi Su-34 tactical fighter bomber aircraft. Russian heavy aerial bombs of various capacities equipped with universal planning and correction modules have become a nightmare for the Ukrainian military. Their massive use has had a significant impact on the course of hostilities. Previously, Ukrainian positions have already been pounded by the FAB 250, FAB 500, and FAB 1500 bombs. Moscow has given a clear signal that it is not going to stop. In March, the former Minister of Defense inspected a military enterprise in the Nizhny Novgorod region. Then, the general director of the plant reported that the factory had increased the production of the FAB 500 bombs several times over and the FAB 1500 by an additional 50%. There has also been mass production of the FAB 3000 since February of this year. Russian aerial bombs have become a miracle weapon that Ukrainian troops cannot resist. The massive use of the FAB 3000 bombs on the battlefield has become bad news for the armed forces of Ukraine. In its turn, Kiev recently announced the launch of tests of correctable bombs of its own production. However, the success of this initiative is questionable.